Hello, welcome. In this video, we will see at the issue of Afghan with respect to the India, that is the India-Afghan investments. The Taliban's possible triumph threatens not just India's diplomatic stakes in Afghanistan, but also a 20 years and 3 billion worth of Indian investments in various projects in the Afghanistan, including various dams such as Salma Dam and roads and trade infrastructure. All these things they have been plundering. Uh, all these things belonging to the India built infrastructure. And coming to the Taliban push ahead with the military defensive across the Afghanistan after the exit of the US and NATO forces. India faces a situation which is it may have no role to play in that country, and in the worst case scenario, not even a diplomatic presence there. All our diplomats have been vacated there and came to India. That would be a reversal of nearly 20-year rebuilding of the relationship that goes back centuries. Afghanistan is a vital to India's strategic interests in the region generally. It also perhaps the only SAARC nation whose people have much affection for India. After a breakup between 1996 and 2001, when India joined the world in shunning the previous Taliban regime, only Pakistan, UAE, and Saudi Arabia kept ties with these countries between 1996 and 2001. Uh, One way New Delhi re-established ties with the country the 2 decades after 9 by 11 attacks was uh, to path in development assistance under the protective umbrella of the US presence. Generally, after the 26 by 11 attacks under the umbrella of the US, India has been continuing its ties with the Afghanistan by using this uh, US umbrella. And now coming to the what's the thing happening in Afghanistan when we see just a minute. And when we see this was after a breakup between 1996 and 2001, now India again established here with the US presence. This was a timely help. After 5 years of near medieval rule by the Taliban from 1996 and preceding by a half dozen years of fighting between the Mujahideen warlords following the Red Army's withdrawal in 1989, the decade before that was of fighting the US-backed Pakistani trained Mujahideen took the Soviet military. Afghanistan was in ruins. India built now these all things. We don't want to go further. We want only things regarding the India and Afghanistan. India built vital roads, dams, and electricity transmission lines and substations, schools, and various hospitals in the Afghanistan. India's development assistance is now estimated to be worth well over $3 billion. And unlike other countries where India's infrastructure projects have barely got off the ground or mired in the host nation's politics, it has been delivered in Afghanistan. Generally, uh, when coming to the India's diplomacy in the other countries, generally all countries do with some political intention. But uh, in the perspective of Afghanistan, when we see, it's not like that. It is somewhat humanitarian assistance and somewhat uh, other things other than politics. In 2011, India-Afghanistan Strategic Partnership Agreement recommitted Indian assistance to help rebuild Afghanistan infrastructure and institutions. After 2011, India-Afghanistan strategic partnership has been established. In order to rebuild Afghanistan infrastructure and various institutions regarding the education, technology assistance in various capacity building programs and encouraging investments in the Afghanistan and provide duty free across the Indian borders. Bilateral trade now worth $1 billion. When we coming to the projects in the country, speaking of the Afghanistan, uh, generally projects in the Afghanistan include generally in November 2020 in the Geneva, speaking at the Geneva External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar said that uh, no part of the Afghanistan today untouched by 400 plus projects that India has undertaken in all 34 Afghanistan provinces. The fate of the projects is now in the air. Generally, in November 2020, our External Affairs Minister said that in the Afghanistan, so much plundering activities has been done by the Taliban, but 400 plus Indian projects has been undertaken in the 34 provinces of the Afghanistan. It has till now untouched, but their fate now become a major threat. Salma Dam. Coming to the Salma Dam, they have fighting in the area where one of the India's highest visibility project is located there. A 42 megavolt Salma Dam in the Herat province. Generally, in the lower region or middle lower region in the Herat province, the hydropower and irrigation project completed against many odds and inaugurated in 2016. It is known as generally it is known as Afghan India Friendship Dam. This Salma Dam. In the past few weeks, the Taliban has mounted attacks nearby places, killing several security personnel near this dam. Taliban claim area around the dam is now under their control. And coming to the other infrastructure, that is the Jaranj Dalaram Highway. It is a generally 218-kilometer highway built by the Border Road Organization of the Indian Defense under the Indian Defense Ministry. Jaranj, it is located close to the Afghanistan and Iran border. From Jaranj to Dalaram, the road has been 218 kilometers. $150 million worth highway goes along the Kashrud River to the Dalaram, that is the northeast to the Jaranj. That it connects a ring road that links Kandahar in the south, Ghazni and Kabul in the east, Majar Sharif in the north and Herat in the west province. That means it is somewhat a garland, somewhat look like a highway of garland. Uh, just a minute. When we see the garland structure is like this only. There is something as starts here and here like a ring structure, no? Garland. It is also called as the Garland Highway. Jalar Dararam Highway somewhat starts at the uh, generally Jaranj, which is Iran Afghanistan border, then Dalaram, then somewhat Jaranj, Dalaram, and finally Kabul and Ghazni and also Herat province. These all things come under a single highway, that is the Jaranj Dalaram highway. This is the thing here. And when coming to the with Pakistan denying India, with the Pakistan denying India overland access for trade with the Afghanistan, the highway now it is India's strategic importance to the New Delhi with trade with the Afghanistan and other Central Asian countries through the contentious port, that is the Iran Charbahar port. This Jaranj Dalaram highway come crosses with the Jaranj near the Afghanistan. From there, it comes and joins with the Iran's Charbahar port. By joining the Charbahar port, it enters the Indian Ocean. Thereby, enters into the Indian Ocean, then comes to the India. This is the total way. Jaishankar in November 2020 in the Geneva conference said that India has transported nearly 75,000 tons of wheat through this Charbahar to the Afghanistan during the pandemic. As a humanitarian assistance, over 300 Indian engineers and workers toiled along the Afghans to build the roads there. According to the External Affairs Ministry publication, 11 Indians and 129 Afghans lost their lives during the construction. 6 of the Indians were killed in the terrorist attacks during this construction. 5 in accidents, and India has also built several small roads in the Afghanistan also. Coming to the Parliament of the Afghanistan, the Afghan Parliament, just a minute. Okay. The Afghan parliament in Kabul was built by India with a cost of $90 million. It opened in 2015. Prime Minister Modi inaugurated it. In an expensive speech, he said that India-Afghanistan friendship, he quoted Rumi, who was born in Balkh, Afghanistan, the immortal Yari Hai Iman, Mera Yar, Meri Jindagi from Janjeer movie of the Shah Rukh Khan. These all things not required for us. He somewhat used to connect with the sentiments. That's all. And describing the building as India's tribute to the democracy in the Afghanistan. Establishment of uh, uh, so-called democracy in the Afghanistan. A block in the building is named after the former PM A.B. Vajpayee. A block in the Parliament of the Afghanistan has been named with the former Indian Prime Minister A.B. Vajpayee. Store Palace. In 2016, Afghanistan President Ashraf Ghani and Prime Minister Modi inaugurated Store Palace. It is a restored Store Palace in the Kabul, originally built in the late 19th century. It was setting for the 1919 Rawalpindi Agreement, generally done during this Indian independent movement. The building housed officers for Afghan foreign minister and the ministry until 1965. In 2009, India-Afghanistan Aga Khan Development and the Aga Khan Development Network signed a tripartite agreement for restoration of the same. The Aga Khan Trust for Culture completed the project between 2013 and 2016. This is the thing development this Store Palace, which is somewhat historical importance of the Indian independence. And when coming to the power infrastructure, other Indian projects in the Afghanistan including rebuilding the power infrastructure such as a 220 kilowatt DC transmission line from Pule-e-Kumri, capital of Balgan province in the north of the Kabul, to beef up electricity supply to the capital, that is the Kabul. Indian contractors and workers also restored telecommunication and infrastructure in many provinces there. Health, coming to the health infrastructure, India has reconstructed children's hospital. It is built in Kabul in 1972, named after Indira Gandhi Institute for the Child Health in 1985. uh, and the Indian medical missions have been held free consultation camps in several areas. Coming to the transportation, according to Ministry of External Affairs India, it gifted 400 buses and 200 mini buses for the urban transportation in the Afghanistan, 105 utility vehicles for the municipalities and 285 military vehicles for the Afghan national has been given. 10 ambulances for public hospitals in 5 cities. It gave 3 airline aircrafts to the Ariana and the Afghanistan carrier where the restarting operations has been seen. Other places in India contributed desktops and all benches, and bilateral trade relations has been one of the major uh, heights it has grown, but due to these terror attacks everything gone in somewhat in vain. All these things are not enough for our, that's all for the Iran, sorry, India Afghanistan bilateral relationship, and what all the adverse effect may look in the future.